Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Nihilite or iComfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. We will start with the customization, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So in the settings we need to scroll down and find the display, and here scroll down again to find the Nihilite. You can turn it on simply by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. You can also tap on the Nihilite and customize it. So you can change the intensity. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. So it's up to you, of course, which level is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so none option is manual option. You can also turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. But I will set it on none, and basically this is the whole customization of the Nihilite in this device. If you'd like to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those options. And unfortunately we do not have any names for those toggles, so I think we need to come up with the idea which one is for our Nihilite. Let me tap on this edit icon. Oh, come on. And here we still do not have the information. Oh. Okay, so as you can see, in the display section we've got the Nihilite, and this is this moon icon. So yeah, for sure we had it. I saw it before. Alright, so here we've got the Nihilite icon. So just tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.